Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view saved password in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, after that here you can click on menu button or three dots at the top right corner. Okay, and then you can select settings. After that here you can click on password manager. Well, and then you can show all of password accounts out on your Chrome browser. Well, that's the tutorial on how to view saved password in Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.